This is my drawing of Leonardo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, and today I'm going to teach you each and every step on how you could draw this yourself. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page, draw a large curve for the top edge of the muzzle. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend this up in the middle, go across, and then down towards the right. Now I'm just going to tuck the eyes in behind, so leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left, bend this in and then up towards the brow. Now I'm just going to curve the brow, going up, around, and then down along the side. Let's tuck the side of the eye in behind. From here, we're going to step in to create a fold, curve this around, and then in on top. Let's go back to that inside point. Curve the brow, coming in and then up. Now I want to pull the pupils towards the inside. So we're going to start from the top left of the brow, curve this around, and then back in towards the bottom. Let's go up to the top of each pupil and add a small circle for a highlight. Now I want to fill the bottom of the pupils in black. We're going to go around those highlights. Let's add a thick fold across the top of the brow. From here, bend this up and then down towards the side. Line it up on the right side. And then in between the brow, we'll draw the edge of the mask, curving this down and then up. Let's go back to the bottom of the eyes along the outside, bend the mask going up and then out towards the cheeks. Now I want to add a fold around the outside, so we're going to bend this around and then in. Let's draw the top of the mask. We're going to step out, curve this up, and then in toward the side of the brow. Let's close off the top of the head, starting on the left, bend this up, across the middle, and then bring that down towards the right. Now I'm going to move down and draw in the mouth. Let's start over on the left, start with a curve coming down, and then up. And I'm going to bend the mouth, coming around, and then down. Let's close off the bottom. On the left, we're going to step up, curve this down, across, and just tuck that up on the right side. Now from these 2 points, we're going to draw the top edge of the teeth. We're going to come down and then bend that in. And we'll tuck the bottom row of teeth underneath. From here, bend this out and then down. Let's fill the outside corners of the mouth in black. Now we're going to go back to the bottom corners of the mask. We're going to curve the cheeks. We're going to go out around the mouth and then bend that in. Let's go back to the left side. Curve this down, across, and then back up. Now we're going to draw the ends of the mask coming out from the right side of the head. We're going to start right here, going up, out, and then up towards the tip. Bend this around, and then in toward the side. Let's add another one layered in behind. So we're going to move up along the side of the head, going around and up toward the point, and then tuck that back in. In the center of each one, I'm just going to add a fold. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, just underneath the head, bend the body going out and then down towards the hip, go to the right side, and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Now I'm going to move to the center and draw a circle with a buckle. Let's go back to the hips, curve the belt, coming down and in towards the side of that circle. Step up and draw that again. Let's trace that circle along the inside. And then in the middle, we'll add the letter L. Let's draw the ends of the belt. We're going to start right here, bend this out and down on either side, flatten this off, and I want to bend this back up underneath the buckle. Now we want to add that patch across the center of the body. Let's start right in the center, above the buckle, go straight up. Now we're going to draw on the left side. We're going to curve this up, come around and then down, go back to the center and do the same thing on the right. Let's separate the center with a curve on either side. Now I'm going to line up the side underneath the belt, goes down and in towards the center, in behind the belt, close off the bottom, and we'll draw one straight line. Now I'm going to stretch the arms out towards the side holding two swords. So we're going to start underneath the head, bend the arm going out and then up towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to curl around the thumb. We're going to go up and then down, round up the tip of the thumb, and then bend that back up. On the inside of the thumb, I'm just going to add a small curve coming in for the palm. Now we're going to wrap two large fingers around the handle. Let's start from the side of the thumb, draw a large half oval, going out and then in. Let's go to the bottom and add another one, and we're going to tuck this up underneath the thumb. Let's draw the handle coming down underneath the fingers with two straight lines, and then we'll round out the bottom. Now just up above the hand, we're going to draw the hilt. We're going to start with a straight line going across. On the ends, angle this down and in behind the hand. Now I'm going to draw two curves going up toward the tip of the blade. So leaving a gap in the center, let's start with the inside. We're going to go up and then bend that in to right about there. Let's do the same thing over on the right side. We're going to bend this up and in behind the headband. Now you see this come up in between. Let's flatten off the edge, coming down and out. Now trace that same curve coming back in towards the hilt. Now from the bottom of the finger, we'll step down along the inside of the handle, bend the palm coming in and up. Step back down, draw the bottom of the arm, curving this down and in towards the side of the body. Let's add the elbow pads. Start from the top, curve this in and then back out. Step out and draw that again. Now I'm going to be drawing this character kicking out towards the left. So we're going to start right in the middle. We're going to step down, start with a point, bend the leg going out and then down towards the heel. And then we're going to see the bottom of the foot. So we're going to draw an oval, going up towards the top of the foot, round this out, and then come back down towards the heel. Let's go back up to the top of the foot, curve this around. I'm going to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, step back up, curve the leg coming back up underneath the hip. Now I'm going to bend the right leg in behind. So we're going to start in the middle, bend this out, and then down about halfway. Let's go to the hip. Round up the outside of the leg, round up the knee, and then tuck that up underneath. Now underneath the leg, we draw the foot, coming all the way around like an oval, and then tuck that back in behind the knee. Let's separate the toe from the outside, curving this up and in, and then from the bottom foot, going up about halfway. Now we're going to go back to the inside of the leg, draw the bottom of the knee pad, coming down and out, go back, curve the top, going towards the outside of the leg, and we'll add the knee pad across the left leg with two curves. Now let's draw the edge of the shell in between the arms and the legs, starting from the hip. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Leonardo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.